Hey guys, Mike Martin from Danchuk Manufacturing here at the Petaluma Salute to American Graffiti Car Show, and it has come. The rain is starting to fall, so but people are still coming out. It's a light rain. Things are cruising right along. We're enjoying the show here so far. People have been great, and they've just been true troopers here, just coming out and checking out the cars and still looking at them despite the rain. So more cars have shown up, and the crowd's starting to come out even still despite the rain. Earlier we walked over to see Bo Hopkins and Candy Clark from the American Graffiti Show, and of course as I'm walking over here you can start to see Milner's Coupe and Bob Falfa's 55 Chevy, and of course Frog's 58 Impala. So anyways, the crowds come out despite the rain. It's a light rain right now, and we're continuing just to make the best of it. You know, this was a rain or shine event, and as we go along, I'm just getting wet here, and but check back with us. Hopefully this rain will blow out, and maybe we'll be able to do some cruising tonight. Again, this is Mike Martin from Danchuk Manufacturing, coming to you live from Petaluma, California.